Hey guys, it's Carley Smith, Fairy Gutmother, and today I am making maple grilled ribeye pork chops with a pineapple salsa. So these ribeye pork chops are from U.S. Wellness Meats. These are all pasture-raised, grass-fed, so better tasting, better quality, and better for you. So first thing, we're going to assemble our marinade. About a tablespoon of maple syrup, black pepper, 4 tablespoons of coconut aminos, olive oil, paprika, orange juice, and orange zest. And we're just gonna mix this all together until all of the ingredients are well combined. Now we're going to add in our bone-in ribeye pork chops. So we'll just coat each pork chop in here. All right, we're gonna let this set, refrigerate for about a minimum of 2 hours or overnight. Now we're going to assemble our pineapple salsa. We're just going to add about a couple cups of diced pineapple, 1 chopped red pepper, about a 1/4 cup of red onion, cilantro, jalapeno, lime juice, and zest, and a little bit of sea salt and black pepper. So we're gonna toss these in this bowl until everything is well mixed. Now we're going to remove these from the refrigerator and grill on medium heat for about 3 minutes on each side. And there you have it, maple grilled ribeye pork chops with pineapple salsa. This looks so tasty and colorful. It's pure perfection. I'm gonna have to give this a try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out U.S. Wellness Meats' new and improved website at uswellnessmeats.com for this recipe and so much more.